Now you can have Korean bibimbap anytime you want. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. You may like a bibimbap. Now, I picked this up because this is maybe the easiest way to make bibimbap. I hope I'm saying that right. And what's interesting is this says hot stone pot bibimbap, which I believe they refer to as torso bibimbap. Now, this little thing comes shrink wrapped here, and I think it comes in a 2-pack, but as I took off the plastic, I realized there are some components to this little bad boy. First of all, if I take this top off, this is an instant rice package, so you can feel that there's some weight there. So the rice is already in there, it's fully boiled already, so basically we do have to heat this up because this is going to be our base. So the bibimbap sits on top of the rice. I think the bop is the rice portion, and then inside we have a bunch of constituents here. So they are all wrapped up like this, and we get this little bowl here, which we will need. We also get a little tiny spoon right here, so I think it just extends just like that. So seriously, everything that you need is right here. All right, then we have sesame oil. We also have bibimbap vegetables, and then we also have bibimbap red pepper paste. The sauce that goes on. So what I think we do here is we heat up the rice for 2 minutes. I think you're going to want to just vent this just a little bit so it doesn't explode. And then you put the rice in the bowl, and then it looks like you put everything else on top of it. So I don't think we heat up anything other than the rice itself, and then we just kind of layer everything on top. So I'm going to do my best to make it look like the picture on the bibimbap bowl. All right, so just made it here. Thought I would take a little spoonful and try it out. You know what? It doesn't make a lot, but it does have the bibimbap taste. I mean, if you're looking for bibimbap and you don't want to go out and order it, you don't want to make it at home, I certainly don't even know how you would. This little package is pretty easy. You just heat up the rice, pour on the constituents, drizzle on the sesame oil, and all of a sudden you got bibimbap at home. It's a little spicy. That red paste is pretty spicy, but makes me feel like a Korean chef. Hey, if Korean food is going to make you a little happier, I'm going to put a link to this instant bibimbap in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more.